Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have a Cathay Pacific 777 or 777. It's a PPC Holland model. It's got a barcode there to show you for in-flight sales, for if they scan it and then give it you. It's scale 1 to 200. It's got some dimensions on the back, another barcode, and a lovely picture of the plane. So let's get dived in and see what this model is all about. This is the model itself. It is really big and it's a really nice model. This is the newer livery of Cathay Pacific. It does flights, well, it used to do flights between Manchester and Hong Kong. I love the livery of Cathay Pacific. I think it's a really nice livery. It's very smart. It's like I don't know what colour, duck egg, like a light duck egg blue, like I don't know what, like a greeny blue colour here, all the way down the aircraft. But it's really nice. I really like it. I like the logo as well. At the back of the plane, well, at the rear, you've got a registration and a flag. I don't know which flag that is. And then a nice tail of Cathay Pacific and an APU, which is also very nice. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a really nice model. It is massive. I'll compare it to my hand. So as you can see, it is very big. The front of it is very nice as well. It's got a nice tail. I mean, not a tail, it's got a nice stand. The stand is also very nice. So let's see what it looks like behind the background.